Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's trace and paint them together. A,
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall
B,
down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and
C,
clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
D,
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and
E,
clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel.
F,
Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
G,
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair
H. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for antlers on top of a deer. B is for ball. B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Let's trace and paint them together.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it
I,
macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
J,
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as
K,
pudding. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
L,
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep
M,
it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
N,
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a
O,
pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
P,
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to
Q,
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats in the cream.
R.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Let's learn some color names.
Ooh, cats in the cream jar. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Green color,
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu,
orange color,
my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou.
red color,
My Lou, my darling.
purple color, blue color, yellow color.
Pasture, moo, moo, moo.
I for Indian,
Pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo.
I for igloo,
My Lou, my darling. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou.
I is for island, surrounded by sea.
Skip to my Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little
J
red
for jam,
wagon painted blue.
J for juice.
My darling. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou.
J is for jam, you eat with your tea.
Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2, off to Texas.
K for kangaroo,
Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou.
K for key,
Lulu, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder,
What'll I do? Lost my partner. What'll
L for leaf.
Lost my partner. What'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu,
L is for lamb, he's prancing around.
skip to my
M for monkey.
Love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Lulu, skip to
M for mouse.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey
N is for numbers, let's count some today.
thought was all in good fun.
O for octopus.
Penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle.
O for orange.
Away the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack.
Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased
Q for question.
the monkey thought was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Q for queen.
For a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio. R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The wife
S.
takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse.
T.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow
U.
takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat
V.
takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho,
W.
the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
X.
All around the mulberry bush, the
Y.
monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
C. Let's learn some color names. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Pink color. Purple color. Brown color.
All around
S for saw.
the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
S for snake. S is for snacks, but don't eat too much. T for tree. T for train. T is for toes, they tickle when you touch. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U is for uncle, he's thin as a bean. V for vacuum. V for violin. V is for vacuum, that keeps the house clean. W for whale. W for watch. W's for wishes, you make every day. X axe, X fox. X is for xylophone, play it today. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Y is for you, now you know how it goes. C for zebra. C for zebra. C is for zipper, open and closed. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.